Okay.
Okay. So I've assembled another science quiz.
Okay.
This time I got the questions from, again, legitimate scientific sources, the National Academy of Sciences, the NIH, Reader's Digest. And this time, to help you out, again, because I don't want you to embarrass yourself, or me by proxy, I'm going to help you out.
Wow. Okay.
They're going to be 20.
So it's like phone a friend.
Exactly. I'm going to give you 2 lifelines. Actually, they're the same.
Okay.
Free passes. They're free passes. You're going to get 2 free passes anytime before, like I tell you, you got the answer wrong. You can choose to skip a question by using one of your free passes. Okay?
And I only get 2 per the whole round.
For the entire round, you only get 2. So use them wisely, okay?
Okay, I will.
You might want to save them up for like the harder questions at the end, for instance.
Got it. Yeah, just like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
All right, you ready, Tirth?
All right, I'm ready. Let's go.
Question number 1. Name all the elements on the periodic table from highest atomic number to lowest.
Do I get partial credit?
No.
Okay, pass.
Pass? Alrighty, on the first question, you're using your one of your 2 passes.
Hey, I don't want to disappoint you.
Okay, all right. Whew. You're burning through your passes, man. You only got 1 left, all right?
Okay.
Question number 2. Name all the prime numbers between 1 million and 1 billion.
Hey, what happened to the phone a friend or podcast a friend lifeline? That's not part of this?
No. Just the free passes. Of which you only have 1 left.
I guess I'm gonna blow my free passes. I'm
wow.
gonna pass.
Wow, really? Okay. You're gonna use up your second free pass already. Whew, Tirth, man. Tirth, I don't know what to tell you. Looks like you're gonna raw dog the rest of this quiz, huh?
Hey, you can tell me it gets easier.
We'll see.
Okay.
Question number 3.
Yes.
Name all planets in our solar system in order of distance to the sun.
Woo! Easy. Let's go.
Let's hear it.
Well, distance as in like shortest to longest?
Yeah.
Okay. Mercury, Venus,
Mm-hmm.
Earth, Mars,
Mm-hmm.
Jupiter, Saturn.
Good.
Uranus.
Uh-huh.
Neptune.
Very good.
Pluto doesn't count anymore.
Very good.
I almost flubbed it.
I might have to take a point off for mentioning Pluto.
That's just for the sake of completeness. When you and I were in school, Pluto was a planet.
Okay. All right. You got the point.
Hey, you want to hear the mnemonic, though? When I was in school, the mnemonic I was taught was, my very educated mother just showed us 9 planets.
Wow. You still remember that? That's very impressive.
Yeah. Power of mnemonics.
Good. Wow.
Yeah.
Very good. All right.
Okay.
Question number 4.
Mm-hmm.
What country has the most tornadoes?
I'm just going to take a guess. The United States.
That's correct.
Okay.
Next question.
Uh-huh.
What animal did Australia go to war with in 1932?
Yeah, this is easy. Emu.
Nice.
Yeah.
And they lost.
They lost, yes. Wikipedia even has
Horribly.
an info box as if it's a real war with casualties and everything listed.
Horribly.
Yeah, no. They gave up.
Zero emus died, and I think 20 soldiers got injured.
Yes. They gave up.
Oh, terrible. Next question.
Yeah.
How many bones do sharks have?
$538.
0. They don't have bones.
Because they're non-cartilaginous or whatever,
They're
right?
non-bony fish or whatever. I don't know what sharks are, but they have no bones. Good guess, though, whatever you said.
Thank you.
Next question. What element are diamonds composed of?
Oh, carbon. Come on, son.
Okay.
C for come on, son, and also for carbon.
Tirth, you're acting like I'm not on your side. Remember, I'm doing this because I don't want you to embarrass yourself again. And me,
That's
by
true.
proxy.
That's
okay?
true. I'm sorry.
Okay,
Yeah, you're right.
I'm on your side.
Yeah, you're absolutely on my side. That's right. It's just
Next
force
question.
of habit. Yes.
Next question. What are the most common elements in the body by mass? You just have to name 2 of them. 2 of the top 4 most common elements in the body by mass.
Well, so that's a little... Okay, let me clarify this. Because the body is mostly water, which would mean that hydrogen and oxygen are the 2 most common. But hydrogen is also the lightest. But so carbon might be on top just because it's more...
Yeah, just have to get
heavier.
2 out of the top 4.
Okay,
What's your final
okay,
answer?
all right. Hydrogen and oxygen.
Okay, good.
Okay.
The top most common element is oxygen, 65%.
Yeah.
Carbon is next, 18.5. Then hydrogen, 9.5. And then nitrogen,
Yeah.
3.3.
Okay.
Doing pretty well.
Very
Despite
proud of
using both
myself.
of your free passes on the first 2 questions.
Living on a prayer, man.
Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah.
What do you call a group of flamingos?
Oh, I used to know this.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna give up. I'm just gonna say something that I know it's wrong.
Mm-hmm.
I shall make a joke out of it. I know a group of owls is called the Parliament of Owls, so I'm gonna say a group of flamingos is a Senate of flamingos.
No, it's a flamboyance.
A flamboyance.
A flamboyance of flamingos. That's right.
Wow.
Good alliteration.
Uh-huh.
How long does it take for light to reach the Earth from the sun?
8 minutes.
Good.
I think it's like 8.33 or something, isn't it?
8 minutes? Yeah, exactly. 8 minutes
Yeah,
and 20
yeah.
seconds. What is Brownian motion?
In the most general sense, it's this random motion of molecules in basically non-solids, so gas or even liquids, actually.
Mm-hmm. In a fluid.
Yeah, basically fluid. Yeah.
And what does it do to?
It's the kinetic energy of the particles, isn't it? And also
Yeah.
like just
When they collide
random
with the molecules
yeah.
of the fluid. Good. I'll give you that point.
Yes.
Last question in this section.
Mm-hmm.
What is the photoelectric effect?
It's gonna be tricky to explain. It's sort of when basically it tells you that light comes in quanta called photons, and it's the frequency of the light hitting any particle that matters, not the intensity. You
Okay,
can
I'll
emit
give it to you.
particles.
I'll give it to you.
I did a piss poor job.
This next section
Uh-huh.
is, again, from ChatGPT. Okay?
Okay. I was not a fan of the last one, so we'll see.
Question number 1 from ChatGPT. What happens when it rains on Uranus?
Wait, hold up. Rules. Do I still get 2 passes?
No. You already
Oh,
used
no
up both of your
passes
2
here.
passes. No.
I see. What happens when it rains in Uranus?
Uh-huh.
I mean, you get clean? I don't know.
What gets clean?
Your bum.
No. Incorrect.
What's the correct answer?
When it rains on Uranus, carbon in the atmosphere crystallizes into diamonds. And it actually rains diamonds on Uranus. That's true.
Wow. Okay.
I don't know what answer you were giving. Next question. How fast can a human fart travel? This is all from ChatGPT.
I mean, is it the gas or the sound?
The gas. Good question. The gas. Give me it in terms of miles per hour, please.
3 miles per hour.
No, 7. 7 miles per hour.
That's within an order of magnitude. Okay. Fine.
And ChatGPT adds,
Uh-huh.
and if it's hot and humid, the smell can cling longer.
Oh, God.
You're welcome. ChatGPT says.
Just so gross. Okay.
The coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth was colder than dry ice. And your ex's heart. What is it?
Minus 84.
What?
Oh,
Celsius or Fahrenheit?
Celsius.
Minus 84. It's very close, but incorrect. It's minus 98 Celsius in Antarctica.
Do I get pity points?
No.
Pity points?
No,
Close
please.
To the... Okay.
No.
Okay.
ChatGPT adds,
Uh-huh.
do not try this at home.
Okay.
If you could fold a piece of paper more than 7 times, remember last time we talked about how you can only fold a piece of paper 7 times, but if you can fold it more than 7 times, how many folds would it take to reach the moon from Earth? I'll make this easier for you. Just get it within 5 of the actual answer.
Okay. 23.
Oh, close. 42.
Oh, wow.
Actually, not close at all.
Hey, that's like the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, where they say 22 is the answer to everything.
I didn't verify any of these answers. They were all given by ChatGPT. Maybe ChatGPT was thinking about that book.
Maybe our listeners can verify them.
Maybe. Next question.
Go ahead.
Why did the mushroom get invited to the party?
Oh, because he's a fun guy.
Yeah. Good.
I actually made this joke. I don't know if you remember, Luke, because you were at this wedding also, almost 10 years ago now.
At Jimmy's wedding. I gave you the joke, remember? I gave it to you and then you made it.
I conveniently remembered. I thought it was mine. I'm sorry.
No. Please, give me credit.
Okay. All credit to you.
What did the tectonic plate say when it bumped into another?
Let me slide right past you.
Incorrect. Sorry, my fault.
Okay.
Why do chemists love nitrates so much?
I have no idea.
Because they are cheaper than day rates.
Oh my god, that's so stupid.
Nitrates are cheaper than day rates.
Oh my god.
Once again, Tirth, you're doing very poorly on this section. Very poorly. Why did the physicist break up with a biologist?
Positive feelings of the heart. I don't know.
No, because there was no chemistry.
Oh my god. Okay, that I should have gone.
This is a physicist and a biologist. Why doesn't the sun go to college?
Because it's bright already.
That's pretty good. I'll give you half a point.
Yes.
Because it already has 1,000,000 degrees.
Okay.
Last question.
Yes.
Why don't skeletons fight each other? This is an anatomy question.
Mm-hmm. They don't have a fighting bone in their body.
No. Because they don't have the guts.
Oh my god. I actually like that one. That's a good joke.
Once again, Tirth, you've embarrassed me.
I'm sorry.
I'm just guessing based on how that went. But let me tally up the score real quick, okay?
Okay, go ahead.
So in the first section, you got 8 out of 10. Again, pretty good. On the second section, you only got 1.5 out of 10. For a total score of 9.5 out of 20, which is 45%.
Objectively a failing grade.
Once again, you've embarrassed the both of us.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I'll do my best next time.